Alright, what's up, man? Welcome back to another ride. Heading to the gym. And gonna hit a little chest day, arms day. Yeah, just chill day. Tomorrow is my Friday, although it's Thursday, so taking Friday off. Nice little 3-day weekend. I love 3-day weekends, man. To me, holiday weekends, 3-day weekends, 4-day weekends, man, that's just stuff I live for, bro. I remember being in school and just extended weekends were the best, and they are still the best now that I'm in the workforce. I'm working Monday through Friday. I think having a Monday off is better than having a Friday off, in my opinion. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. But 3-day weekend, man. Hit that sub button if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel, man. If you also enjoy 3-day weekends, hit that sub button. Got a long one. Hopefully gonna get some good filming in. And I don't know, we'll see. It's my birthday weekend, so might be busy, might not, but nonetheless, we're gonna go to the gym and get a good pump in, go home, eat some pizza. Always that that sheriff parked back there, and like I never know if somebody's sheriff's sitting in it or if it's empty. It stresses me out. Color. I don't know if that's a wrap or a paint job on that Toyota. I can't remember what that is. Something, I can't remember. Somebody in the comments, man, let me know what that car was. I think they're pretty sick. I've seen reviews on them though, and I don't think many people like them. I think people have said they're small. Interior is small, like it's hard for tall guys to fit in there. I don't know. I had a buddy that looked at one. He said felt like it was too small for him. Anyways. We've made it. We've made it to the gym. It's not going to be a super long one, but nonetheless, you gotta stay active. If you made it this far, man, I appreciate it. If you're hitting the gym today, drop a comment, let me know what you're hitting. If not, let me know what's stopping you. What's keeping you from hitting the gym today, man? Gotta lead a healthy lifestyle. Live a long, healthy, fruitful life. Wealthy life. Starts with your health, so. With that being said, I'm gonna get to it. Like I said, chest today for me. Chest and arms, quick one. Do a little stretching, stretch my lower back out. Still got a little bit of a pinched nerve in my back, so. Yeah. Anyways, as always, appreciate you for riding with me. Look forward to seeing you in the next video, man. Stay blessed out there. Drive safe. See you next time. Peace.